Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Conecuh County in south-central Alabama, northern Covington County in south-central Alabama, southeastern Crenshaw County in south-central Alabama, northeastern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. At 11:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Andalusia, River Falls, Red Level, Dozier, Heath, Gant, Valley of Shiloh, Duns, Strong, Rum, Rawls, Carolina, Coldwater, Boston, Sanford, Beck, Longo, Searide, Wiggins and Toyota. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Conecuh, Covington, Crenshaw, and Escambia. The severe thunderstorm